Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the rear axle, 3.23 ratio, cruise control, electronic engine, Vortec 4.3 LMP, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, LS package and a license plate bracket, front. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.